Please just pardon me. Let me just go through this video like this. I know many of you don't like it when I flip camera like this, but for the sake of the time and for a better knowledge of what we're about to discuss, we are going to use this format to record this video. Now, what you are seeing here is a program or a video being posted by Akparawa. As you can see him here, he made this post, and what is it all about? The video of this our brother will go 247, where he air his own opinion on what transpired when people were rumoring that Commander Gentle had been sent to judgment and all that nonsense, because that Commander Gentle will live long. Believe you me, he will. Why? Every month, every 6 months, every year, you keep on hearing rumor. They buy him. Oh, he's no more. Oh, he's not here. Oh, he's this. Oh, he's that. I remember when the one called the franchise challenge him to come out if he said that he's still alive. Just like how, the seer also said that Commander Caterpillar has been fired and all that. So I'm not here for that anyway. What I'm trying to share with you is this video and other video that you're going to see, for you to connect the dots that some of our people who claim they love you, they love freedom, they do this, they do that, they're for PM, in fact, Mahatma is the savior, every blah, 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 they all have one thing in common: lies and propaganda. For you to know that they are sensible, the only time they allow their brain to work, on anything that has to do with propaganda. Anything that has to do with propaganda and lies, that is where you see the best of them. They will bring it out to, cook up stories, measure one or two, and push it out there for them to deceive you. Now, I'm going to play this video. Just hear this. This is a program of Go 247 that they just merge everything, or any part where he says something that will suit the narrative. They will cut it and merge it together, and they are the one that decided to write all this thing you are seeing here, like RIP, bro. You will not see Gentle come talk rubbish again. You go 247, confess, blah blah blah. As you can see here, those supporting Ngozi, all this nonsense. Now, let us hear that. Before then, let us read caption. As you can see here, is this the best your Orab Fulani group can do, coming from somebody that is well known for cook-up story and lies, chief of the propagandist? Now, let us hear what the video is all about before you move to the main issue.
The moment the thing happened, they sent me the picture. I see him. December, I see him. The picture in my phone now. Okay? So make one they open mouth anyhow, they talk anyhow. It's very, very important that he got Gentle have learned his lessons. Because those of you that push him to line, come and talk, come and talk. You know go see Gentle, come talk rubbish again for you. Because when he come talk, when I do is I do rubbish. You know go see Gentle, come talk again. Gentle will not come line again.
I am not here to debunk what Ugo said. I am not here to twist anything. My own concern is for you to understand why I told you, or why I believe that all this Akparawa group, Fallback, Republic, and all that, they can never ever say something with that lie. They cannot live with that lie. Do you know that they twisted this state that Ugo said here? I don't know if it is loud enough, that where he said that you cannot see Gentle come out again to talk rubbish. They wiped out again to talk rubbish. What are they now pushing out? What are they pushing out on social media now? That Ugo said that the Gentle will never ever come out again to talk. Gentle came out and said something. Did he talk rubbish? No. So because he did not talk rubbish, what he said is very, very sensible. He did not attack anybody. He just said the record straight, pour his mind, and share his love for freedom and everything. which is in line with what every Biafran, decent people, genuine Biafrans actually want. Because those things that he said has nothing to do with propaganda, nothing. He just said it the way he felt, the way it is. He did not call anybody's name. He did not call Ugotu person out. He did not call USA out. He did not call Ogekere out. He just be himself and all that. He did not go down well with them. What they're now telling you is that, oh, you see, Gentle is out now, and we'll go say that he will never ever come out. He'll come and tell us now, and we'll go, you know, that kind of thing. What does that tell you? It simply tell you that these people know what they're doing. They know the havoc they are causing. It's not as if they are so daft that they don't know what they're doing. They know. But the target is your brain. You that are going to listen to them or watch them, their target is your brain. They want to make sure that your brain is being destroyed. That's the agenda. To destroy your brain, the way you reason. Now, let us go through the comment section, because this thing they said here is also the same thing that DOS are doing. Cut and join, cut and join. People that are circulating the video of Gentle, that broadcast he made. Oh, come and see. Oh, he said this. Oh, DOS member. And we are going to see their own, hopefully in this video. Now he said, this person said, baby said, Ugo has been a killer all all this while. To share. This one said, this animal Udele Ugo is it is type stepper. I don't know what you mean by stepper. 2419 must have a very, very strong backing from Nigerian government and Nigerian women on God person for him to be bragging after they died the brother of our innocent Biafran and all that. Now, you can you swear that what you're saying now is true? Can you proudly say that? That's why I said many of you, based on what you're doing, are murderers. Do you know why? I'm not saying you buy people with your mma or ebe. No, your mouth, you have slayed people with your mouth. You have said something that you cannot even justify with your mouth. Simply means that you know what you are doing, and that thing you are doing is what we are calling it at here. Just expose it for sake of the people that are following or listening to this nonsense that all of them are circulating. Like I said, this video is not about debunking what the ghost said. And what the ghost said, go and watch the complete video from the ghost platform. Don't just always believe in cut and join short video that people who couldn't pay Twitter to upload long lengthy video are publishing, because all of them, they don't have the access to publish quality lengthy video on their X. What they do, they will watch your video anywhere you said something. Maybe you said God will punish all the let's say maybe you say God, that you are in support of buying of Fulani headers or Fulani bandit in our land, that any leader in our land enabling them should go down with them. They will cut this part and remove Fulani. They will look for another place, maybe where you talk about maybe different division army. They will say that they may merge it to the extent that your statement will be like, we sound like I will buy any different division army who refuse to, that kind of thing, because they want Biafrans who are unable to comprehend to watch that 2 minutes or 1 minute video and believe that you, an innocent person, is Ubummadu. Biafran, they are in Malaysia. This is Briggy. Malaysia always have, Biafrans that are traitors. That's just the fact. Always. Even the time of Muslim Gandhi, the same thing. Emmanuel Gentle is here. Hope will go for 2-4 liar. All of them are this. They are the same thing. Why I'm trying to share this with us. This one is you cannot do without propaganda and lies. That's just the fact. That is the only thing you guys live on currently. Keep saying in keep staying in exile, bro. That's from this is a USB person. This is what they want: division, separation, and destruction. That's all. That's what they want. They want everybody to be like them and just keep on believing that you go 247 is your problem. So I just want to share this because the video is circulating on social media. All of them are sharing it. All of them are posting it as if that is a big deal. But I just want you to understand that what they're saying is live from pit of hell. Go and watch the complete version of the video from Ugo 247's platform. Then you can now relate. Okay? And this reason why you go and make the video, he was trying to explain to people who are confused watching their short clips. Like I said, if you are a fan of watching short clips or from these people that are unable to, that they cannot even stream live on their S or publish a video of 20 minutes, know that you are in for a long journey because they will lie to you. I'm not in support of anybody, killing of anybody. Let me just put it out there because I know buying of this person here you are seeing here is a no-no. Anybody supporting it, you are mistaken, right? And Ugo is not even supporting it here. Like I said, go and watch the video before you talk. God bless you and bye bye for now.